We'll guide you through how to use Dropbox File Transfer effortlessly. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to the Dropbox website. Then log into your account. Once you're in, locate the left sidebar where you'll see the option labeled Transfer. Click on it to begin creating a new transfer. Now, click on Create Transfer to start the process. You'll be prompted to add files to your transfer, so click Add Files and select the files you want to send. You can choose multiple files at once if needed. After selecting your files, you have the option to customize your transfer with a password for added security, or set an expiration date to control how long the files are accessible. You'll see these options right under the file list. If you want the recipient to receive a notification when the files are downloaded, make sure to toggle that option on. Once you're satisfied with your settings, click Create Transfer. Dropbox will prepare your files and generate a unique link. You can share this link with the recipient by copying it directly or sending it via email by clicking the Send via Email option and entering the recipient's email address. This makes it super easy for them to access the files even if they don't have a Dropbox account. Remember, the recipient can download the files without needing to sign up for Dropbox, which is a great convenience. And there you have it. Your files are now ready to be transferred securely and efficiently with Dropbox File Transfer. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.